Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Milestone Day. That is the 50th day of our rule-based trading challenge. And today, market also celebrated with us by rewarding us handsomely. And also, more than the P&L, it was a very smooth sailing day. With the premium decay was very smooth and very nicely. We ended with a very good profits. Let's understand what happened over the market today in terms of our trade. So right at 9:30, we could get the bullish trend signal for the day, and hence we were able to take the trade right at 9:30, and we sold the current week put of 24,500. And we remained in the trade till end of the day. That is at 3:15. As you know, the end of the day we had to exit. So it being an intraday trade, so we exited at 3:15. So we exited with a very good profits, I would say. Like the 68.90 was our entry price and 37.80 is our exit price. If you see the Nifty index, how it moved, so somewhere here at the right at the 9:30, we took the bullish trend. So only for a couple of or other 15 minutes or so, maybe it was against our trend. But again, after that, it started moving in our direction. And for the entire day, there was a very smoothly and nicely it moved up. It's continued its upward journey. And what also favored us is the India VIX today. So it is a falling India VIX which we could see from the yesterday afternoon, and today also it opened a gap down, and then at somewhere around here 9:30, as you see my where the pointer is seen, is where the India VIX was there, and after that you see a steep fall in the India VIX, and that also helped to a large extent to the profits for the day. And if you look at the premium chart here, so this is the entry candle, and as I said, like only the first 5-10 minutes or 15 maximum 15 minutes is when the P&L was hovering between the positives and negatives, and after that the from 9:50 afterwards it never turned back, and it was the smoothly it was the premium was decaying, and hence by 12:40 or something, no, 12:40 or so, like as you see here, the where the pointer is around 12:40 itself, it hit the day the 50% of decay of our entry price, and this point onwards we started trailing the stop loss, which means our profits for the day already guaranteed by 12:40 of this afternoon. And the last reference candle of the day low was got formed at around 150 candle, that is 150 to 155 candle. But neither the trailing stop loss nor the entry stop loss got triggered. So at the end of the day, we exited at 315 at 37.80. And if you look at the trading journal, so 24,500 put is what we sold, as you saw, and entry price was 68.90, and then we covered it at 37.80. We incurred a trading cost of 55 rupees 60 paise, which means our total gain for the day is around 22,076 rupees for the day, which helped us to get back to a reasonably very healthy P&L of 15.68% after 50 days of trading. So our equity curve, of course, we are still not at the peak level, but we are very close to the peak again, coming inching towards our earlier peak level. But here also, as you see, with the today's reasonably good profits, the equity curve moved higher, and I would say 15.68% after 50 days is an humongous return in by any standards. We don't know what happens after the 60th day, but our focus continues to be on the process rather than the P&L. P&L is the icing on the cake. That's all I would say. So thank you for your continued support, and really your support is or encouragement, support and encouragement has helped us to sail, have this 50 days completely motivated, and would like to see another 10 more days to see a good learning and support from you all. That's all for the day. Thank you for your continued support. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great evening.